But since Reverend Archdeacon Kamau has told you not to worry about the noise, na ni kweli kelele iko, Your Excellency, lakini vile mchungaji amesema, unga ni kusema hakusema, tulikuwa tunanunua 230. Sasa tunanunua 170 to 180 depending on the brand. Lakini kelele bado iko. Taxes, Your Excellency, you are now you have sent to Parliament your very first finance bill. And taxes were being paid before this finance bill. And taxes will still continue being paid beyond this finance bill. Yesterday, Your Excellency, you did call on those of us who are lucky to be earning salaries, to be respectful and to honor those who are not fortunate to have jobs and to earn a living. And you requested us, Your Excellency, to contribute to our national revenues so that those who have no jobs, especially our young people, through projects like the housing agenda, we may be able to create enough jobs for our young people and even young ladies like these ones in this school, that they leave this school to university and TVETs, they are guaranteed that their future is secure. Your Excellency, as you campaigned, you spoke about the bottom-up economic model. And I want to confirm, having read the finance bill is addressing exactly the issues you spoke about. And you did commit that you have a tax policy that espouses most of the principles of taxation. Chief among those principles is a principle of fairness. And it is true, Your Excellency. Those of us who are fortunate to be earning big salaries, 500,000 shillings and above, are the ones who are being asked in that finance bill to contribute a little more so that those at the bottom of the pyramid are able to be catered for. And Your Excellency,